Hey guys, good morning. Happy Monday. It's like 10:30, not even gonna lie. Can you guys see this? She is trying to blow her nose and just making a mess with these paper towels here. Also, I'm realizing that I left my makeup bag in her dad's car, so I can't put my freaking makeup on today, so. Hi. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Good morning, Vloggy. You're a shy girl today? I was planning to go to the store and stuff, but I wanted to actually get ready first, so looks like that's not gonna happen today, which is fine. I don't mind rocking like a natural face every once in a while. Tiny bit later, I just picked up Adelina's tornado of a mess. She's playing with this cute little puzzle. She actually got this for her birthday. Yeah? Are you telling them that you've been doing so many more sensory activities lately? You want to show your friends one that you've been playing with a lot? So she's really been liking the puzzles. She's more aware that the animals match, so she can kind of match them up, but she's still, you know, working on getting the puzzle pieces in there correctly. Put it in, Mama. Good job. See, like she knows that the pigs match up, but she's still... She's working on it, huh? We're working on it. Yeah. I'm going to show them one that you've been playing with a lot lately, which actually is so simple, you guys. It's honestly like just like a little cookie sheet, little baking tray, and magnets. And she loves to just like put them on there. These two are from our actual fridge, and then these are like little wooden magnets that we got for her. They came in like this little thing. It has like a bunch of different little animals, letters, it has numbers. I think it also has like stuff to do like multiplication, addition, subtraction, all that stuff. So yeah, it was just a fun little thing. So I think this entire like little toy or project, I guess you would say, cost I think maybe $11, maybe $12, because I think this was like $9.99 for all of the puzzles, and it actually came in this like little wooden thing too, which I think is really nice. So after she's done, I can literally just like take all the magnets, put them on here, and then just like put it on the tray, and then, you know, put it inside one of her little cubbies. We're working on getting more sensory play and activities. We're going through a lot of these toys because that whole bin is literally just stuffed animals. And I loved stuffed animals as a kid, but she doesn't really care for them too much. Maybe she's not at that age yet. But I'm just going to go through and keep the ones that she really, really wants. And then that one's like a bunch of smaller toys. But I kind of feel like this is like so much. So this one I really don't like because it's an eyesore. I really wish I would have gotten like a little wooden walker for her, but this was a gift for Christmas, so we just decided to keep it. Her little boxes for toys, I kind of want to find maybe just one thing to put them in. I don't know, I'm still debating because I just don't want the entire living room to be toys, which it kind of is right now. But there she is, playing with her little sensory activity, or just putting things in her mouth, which is, you know, the vibe, always the vibe. I also wanted to show you guys an idea that I had for another sensory activity. This is so random, but this is just like a little container that we had. It's just left over from like chocolate covered raisins, but I thought it was perfect because one, babies love to put lids on things. She's very into that at the moment. But what I was gonna try to do is like go to the dollar store and maybe find like some coins or something not too small that's like a choking hazard for her, that I can like cut a slit up here so that way she can put them through and also see it fall, kind of like a coin bank. One, it gives her a chance to do a completely new activity that she's never done before. Two, I think it would be very nice because it's like hand-eye coordination and all of that good stuff. But that's just a thought. I don't know when I'm gonna get around to doing that. Hey, are we making a mess?
No.
No? You're helping Mom out, taking all the wipies out for me? Oh, blowing your nose. I'm sorry. This has been her new thing. Anything that's not a toy, she loves. I just can't. Hey guys, what's up? It's a couple days later and I have quite the story for you guys. So I ended up vlogging on Monday, which is the clips that you guys seen, but on Tuesday I actually went to the store and everything, and I had Adelina. It was me and Adelina, and normally for whatever reason I don't like to go out and do things a lot by myself with the baby, just because I do still get a lot of anxiety. I feel like we're gonna get kidnapped or something crazy is gonna happen. I mean, that's literally like where my mind goes sometimes. I don't like to go out a lot by myself, but for whatever reason on Tuesday I was like, you know what, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go to the store real quick, get in the car, start driving, and I didn't go on the freeway for whatever reason, which I'm kind of glad I didn't go. Now I was just driving. At one point I felt my car like shaking, so I just pulled over. And I was like, oh my gosh, the car is gonna break down right now and I have the baby with me. So I was just like, okay. I pulled over, I parked, and I was just like, all right, turn the car off. Turn the car back on, everything was fine, it turned on, and I start to drive, and as like I go slow down to stop, the car starts shaking again. And I'm just like, okay, no, I cannot drive like this with the baby in the car. Like, I can't, like, I cannot have that on my conscience. So I turned, I parked, and I was like, all right, well, where I was at was like kind of close to Target, but not close to Target. And I was like, all right, well, we're gonna have to walk. I popped the trunk and I'm like, let's get the stroller, let's go. And the stroller is not in the car, of course. It is in her dad's car. So I'm like, okay. So I just have the car seat, the baby, diaper bag, my purse, essentials. So I'm like, all right, get everything that we need, put the backpack on, have my purse, and we're starting to walk to Target. So we walk to Target. All this time I'm calling her dad, he's not answering, but he's at work, so I understand. And then so we get to Target, he finally answers, I tell him what's happening. He's like, okay, I'm gonna see if I can get off to go get you guys and get it situated. And in the meantime I call my mom too, because I'm like, I need a backup plan. It's close to my mom's lunch hour, so if he cannot do it, I'm gonna have my mom come pick us up. I like to have my bases covered. And it ended up that her dad was able to pick us up and all that stuff, but it was just a mission on Tuesday, and I ended up getting what I needed to get for her like little sensory activities, which I'll show you guys. It's actually really close to the time that I'm supposed to pick up my nephew from school, so we're gonna have to leave in about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna have to wake up Adelina pretty soon, and I hate waking her up, but yeah, in the meantime I'm just gonna fold laundry and do what I need to do, so that way. A little bit later on, we just picked up Solomon from school and the kids are playing right now. Solomon's actually playing with the thing that I was trying to show you guys for that little sensory activity. I found like something to go inside that like little container that I was showing you guys the other day. But I did want to show you guys a new toy that we got Adelina. So when I walked to Target and did all of that very fun stuff, we were walking around Target because obviously like I was stuck there. So I decided to get Adelina a toy because, you know, she stuck it out with me, and my girl, she's my ride or die. So I got her a new toy. She's actually playing with it right now, so I wanted to show you guys. But Solomon wants to show you Baby Yoda in that little container that I'll show you guys in a little bit. This is the little toy that we got her. It's so cute. It comes with like little wooden balls. I need to find the blue one, but it comes with like a red one, a green one, a blue one, and then this like little xylophone. I think that's what they're called, right? And then that little wooden hammer or mallet. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but this one's actually a little bit more challenging for her to hit down. And then as you've seen, Solomon demonstrated that it goes down, and then this little xylophone piece comes out as well. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 toy. But like I was saying, it's a little bit more challenging than this one that's also from Target. This one is like more plastic. This guy's plastic too. I've actually seen Adelina pick up this one and just hammer this guy out, but these ones are just a little bit more harder to get the ball to go down. Oh, I don't even know where that went. She's been really liking these toys. And then Solomon brought over the little container. This is what I found to put in her little container, which is actually Beautiful music. So these are the little things that we found to put in the little container. It's just little unicorns and little horses and stuff. Some of them have wings and some of them don't have wings. I just thought that that was so cute. It's kind of like, you know, the girl version of like little army men or anything like that. But yeah, so she can go ahead and put them in here. I don't know where the cap is right now, but I'm still debating if I want to cut a hole in the cap or not, or just like, you know, kind of let her have them in here. Almond brought me the cap, but yeah, so I'm still debating if I want to cut a hole in the top of this guy or not, and kind of like, you know, make her like kind of put them in there like a coin bank. But she's been having fun just like putting them in here for now and like putting the little lid on top. So I'm going to, you know, let her do that for now. If you're looking for a cheap sensory activity, this is like so easy, you guys, and she loves it. So Adelina wanted to show you guys the rest of the stuff that I picked up at the dollar store, where I picked up those little unicorns. Get too much stuff. I picked up these little highlighters because I thought that they were really cute pastel colors. I really wish that they had like a baby blue or like a lavender color. That'd be perfect. But I picked those guys up so that way when I'm reading my Bible and doing devotionals and all of that stuff, I have some little cute highlighters. Adelina's been trying to get them out of the packaging. She's a little mad. But I picked up a couple of books, but I also picked up these guys, which I thought were super cute. The first one is the Pooh's First Words, and it just has like little cards with the first words on there. And then this one is the Colors and Shapes, but I figure it's never too early to start doing flashcards with little girl, although like when I did try to do them with her, because I already tried to do them with her, it's really hard to like tell what it is because, I don't know, let me show you guys one. It says like pot, but then there's a big old Pooh there, so I don't know, it's kind of like hard to distinguish exactly what it is. So they're ball, but it has piglet, so I think that kind of makes it difficult. So I kind of wish it was just like the objects themselves, but I'll have to find some that are like that. And I also did pick up a couple of books. This one is just like God Made Seasons, and it's a cute like little board book, and it's like not really cheap for like the dollar store, so that's really nice. And then I got this one as well. It says love you dear God, and then this one just has like little prayers in it, so I thought it was super cute. And then the pictures on this are cute as well. And then this I thought was awesome. It has like little adventures, and it has Peter Pan in it, Alice in Wonderland, and Wizard of Oz. So this one's kind of like for when she's like a little bit bigger, but I thought that was super cute as well.